Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name is Dez here at Grok Trade on Monday, July 16th, 2012. Looks like the next couple days Mr. Ben Bernanke will be doing testimonies, and we're going to be waiting for any clue of a QE or quantitative easing 3. And if we get those sort of positive clues, the market should rally and strong, but no clues should send the market southbound. It's going to happen the next 2 days, so this turbulence we've been seeing should only continue. Key news is bond yields near record lows. U.S. shares are off. Oil higher on stimulus hopes. And there is continued tensions in Iran. And dollar pressured on rising speculation of the U.S. easing. And gold edges up as dollar drops. And again, all eyes are on Bernanke. If you look here, we have the Dow down 50 points, down 0.4%, the S&P down 0.23%, the Nasdaq down 0.4%, more than a 0.5% drop here on the Russells, the banks down 0.6%, VIX up 2%, confirming today's drop. We're just a hair over 17, but gold slightly in positive territory, silver a little more, up 0.2%, but crude oil up 1.35%. U.S. dollar down, but with the U.S. dollar down 0.3%, the market still could not find bullish territory today. We're looking at this symmetrical triangle. We're above most of the major moving averages, but we have the 100-day moving average acting as resistance. But I drew two big red lines here. That is our symmetrical triangle. This is our apex. This is going to be really tough for price action to break out of. But I think either tomorrow or the next day, especially if there's a QE3 talk, this thing could start to move aggressively to the upside. But if you look at the two blue lines going higher here, we are in a nice uptrend. With this nice uptrend, if we do break out, I do see a resistance area bringing us around 1390, 1393 area. We could get a breakout, and that would be resistance. And if the markets start to go southbound, be looking for a lot of support. You're right down here at the 1343 to 1340 area. So that's something to be watching for. And I'll move this over. We have a MACD. MACD is giving us a bearish divergence. So this is telling us that this, if it doesn't rally north, there's a really good chance that without Ben Bernanke helping out the situation, this is going to start drifting southbound. That's what we're seeing technically speaking. Gold right now is at $15.89 an ounce. We have oil sitting at $88 at this moment. And there's a report out that short sells on the New York Stock Exchange topped the 2011 peak. And that's as September bets lose 21%. That's from Bloomberg. The big news this morning was retail sales, and we were expecting a 0.2% increase for June, and we even had a briefing forecast at 0.4%. However, what came in was minus or negative or down 0.5%. So that sure did not help the markets out at all today. The big news tomorrow is the CPI. All eyes will be on that pre-market because that will give us an indication of inflation. And then, of course, Ben Bernanke speaking. The Beige Book comes out at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday. So that's something else we will be watching. We have a mentorship coming up this weekend. Gang, this is the time to talk with us, to get your trading on the right track. We would love to talk with you to help you get to that next level, but more importantly, to help you become a successful trader. My biggest fear as an educator is having the ability to help somebody, but them washing out of the markets before I can do so. Don't let that be you. Talk to us. Just go to the mentorship page, right here. Click on that. And read or watch the testimonials, fill out the form, and we will just have a chat with you the next couple days, find out if we have a match. Take care. Thanks for sharing us with a friend and leaving a comment and liking us if you're at YouTube. You guys are great.